Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. There are 3 fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside.
Install your new AQ1145 filter into the housing,
with their airflow indicating arrows pointing towards the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing frame. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.